Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious custard. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 4 large egg yolks, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to really bring out the flavors. The first step is to whisk your egg yolks and sugar together until they are light and creamy. Now, let's move on to the cooking process, which requires a gentle touch. First, warm your 2 cups of whole milk in a saucepan until it's just steaming, not boiling. Next, slowly pour about 1/3 of the hot milk into your egg yolk mixture while whisking constantly. This crucial step, called tempering, prevents the eggs from scrambling. Then, return everything to the saucepan and continue cooking. Achieving the perfect consistency is key to a wonderful custard. You'll want to stir continuously over medium-low heat until the mixture thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon, a technique known as nap. This usually happens when the custard reaches about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's ready, immediately remove it from the heat and strain it through a fine mesh sieve. This ensures a silky, lump-free result every single time. Once your custard is perfectly smooth, it's time to think about enjoying it. For the best texture and flavor, cover it with plastic wrap directly on the surface and chill it for at least 2 hours. You can also get creative with flavors. Try adding a hint of almond extract or a touch of cinnamon. Serve this versatile dessert chilled, perhaps with some fresh berries or a sprinkle of nutmeg. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.